we finally are going to start on this build right here. What? Yes, I said what, because I'm excited right now because we're going to start on our drift build. So today the goal is to get the maintenance done. All right, so what are we going to do is, check this out. Hold on, let me get the stuff. So as you can tell right here, we're going to be doing the valve cover gaskets, the grommets, and also the cylinder, I forgot what you call those, but the spark plugs actually go in here so they won't leak oil. Then we got the oil filter housing, then we got the oil change, and then we got the power steering fluid right there, because that sucker right there is prone to leaking. And this is the engine. The engine, it's seen better days. All right, let's be honest right now. Come on now. You can see it right there as it is. It's not looking too good. It's looking dirty. It's looking rugged. It's looking hurt. It's looking horrible. It's looking like somebody just messed this whole engine up right now. But it got me as its new owner. So, as its new owner, we're going to make things right. We're going to make things nice and freaking spiffy. All of this is going to be gone. Trust me. This filth is going to be out of this freaking world. We're going to be making this nice because this car right here, it's our car. We decided to make this car our official build. Like, I'm not selling this car anytime soon. This is going to be for us. And when I say us, I mean me and you. So, knowing that, let's get started. And then also, before I want to get started, as you can tell, there's zip ties everywhere. And you heard that little clank? Well, that's the front bumper right there because it's held by zip ties. And that is not even good. Like, this previous owner has me doing a whole bunch of stuff. We did get this car for a steal. It was unbelievable of the price. Like, the price was unbelievable. Like, I could not have asked for nothing better because due to that price, we got a wide body kit. That big old box right there. I'm telling you this right now. Everything worked out perfect. Like, I was going to spend even more money, but I ended up saving money because I ended up finding this one because I was patient. I spent 4 months looking for a car for the right price, and this one came along. So, enough of look at the engine. I'm going to get started right now. All right, so what I've done so far is actually take everything from this area, all the panels, which are right here. Yes, that way, so I can actually have space for the bolts for the valve cover gasket all around here. Other than that, now it's time to move to the next thing, which is going to be this, the air box. I'm going to be replacing the oil filter housing next, and then I'm going to be replacing, what else? The grommets and everything else. Look at this. Look how clean this car is. Look how clean this engine is, though. Out of the 10 plus E46s that I had, unbelievable. Also, check this out. This valve cover gasket is supposed to be freaking stiff as hell because that's what they do over time. It's rubbery. Look at the buildup. None whatsoever besides the bottom. The bottom has some buildup. Just right there. Other than that, none. Oh my God. You can understand, like, something like this, it's so heartwarming. It's very satisfying. Like, you don't understand. The typical BMW driver does not do this, does not take care of the engine this well. And I'm talking about an owner that, I mean, y'all know, they really didn't take care of the inside or the exterior of the engine bay. As you can tell, look, zip ties. Also, they got, I don't know what kind of extra stuff they got right there, but there's zip ties everywhere. Aftermarket headlights had grounds everywhere. But anyways, yeah, the engine is healthy. Healthy. Look at these gaskets. They're rubbery. Like, that is amazing. I am happy right now because look, the engine is healthy and we're gonna be putting this engine to the test, no doubt. We got the first gasket on, which is the valve cover. All right, now we gotta get these freaking grommets right here, and then we gotta get these replaced as well because we gotta get new ones, yo. Yes, sir. We gotta get new ones. If not, we're about to be screwed, man. We gotta get these replaced. Even though they are in pretty good shape, we still gotta do what we gotta do. The valve cover's on. We're just gonna put these grommets on these bolts right here, and then just put them back on. First step is done.